Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Chainlink price prediction and Chainlink news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Chainlink in 2022. Founded in 2017, Chainlink is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts. Through a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink allows blockchains to securely interact with external data feeds, events and payment methods, providing the critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become the dominant form of digital agreement. Sergey Nazarov is a co-founder and CEO at Chainlink Labs. He graduated with a degree in business administration from New York University, with a focus on philosophy and administration. The Chainlink network is driven by a large open-source community of data providers, node operators, smart contract developers, researchers, security auditors and more. The company focuses on ensuring that decentralized participation is guaranteed for all node operators and users looking to contribute to the network. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Chainlink. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Chainlink. With Chainlink down 60% from November highs, how are the investors making profit? The thrash of the bears has reached Chainlink as well, and its myriad of DeFi protocol integrations have not been able to save it either. In the while the market took to stop dipping, Chainlink already fell below its safe zone. Chainlink revisits the past at the time of this report. 63.68% of Chainlink's 662K addresses were witnessing losses. Now, this might not be as big a deal in general, since the entire market is observing losses. The consensus $450 million financing round, bringing its valuation to over United States $7 billion. Parified Capital led this raise after participating, joined by Temasek, SoftBank Vision Fund 2, Microsoft, Anthos Capital, Sound Ventures, and others. They added that the self-custodial wallet MetaMask now supports more than 30 million monthly active users, MOUs, growing by 42% in 4 months. Separately, Joseph Lubin, the founder of Consensus and co-founder of Ethereum, has questioned the sustainability of rival projects, including the fast-growing Solana, Sol, blockchain, the Financial Times reported. According to Lubin, Solana is paying outsized rewards to users who validate transactions on the network, compared to the revenues generated by those transactions, and that it needs to figure out a more sustainable business model for the network. The Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, a non-profit organization that supports the development and growth of Stellar, XLM, announced the launch of the United States $30 million matching fund, which co-invests alongside investors globally. Matching investments raise from a lead investor up to United States $500,000. The fund is for pre-seed to Series B companies interested in building on the Stellar blockchain. Financial modeling platform GOM offering matching funds of their own, in varying amounts. NounsDAO, ENS Domains, and Filecoin are among the projects that have donated to the Ukraine pool, specifically. Since its launch in November 2017, Gitcoin says it has raised over $54 million in funding for open-source projects, with $36 million going to Gitcoin grants, Gitcoin's WEB3 alternative to Patreon. Ultimately, Moore says, our focus has always been, what are the public goods that are either not being funded or are not being sufficiently coordinated for in the global sphere? Moore adds that the crypto space has matured to the point where crypto can have a global impact and aid in serious real-world situations like funding NGOs and DAOs to support Ukraine. And Moore adds that, while Gitcoin is doing its own part with GR13, the larger effort by the crypto community to help Ukraine has been a true community effort. He cited the work the Unchained Fund and Ukraine DAO have done to raise funds in support of humanitarian efforts in Ukraine. In 2017-2018, no one had the idea that crypto was usable in the real world, Moore says. Peace is a global public good for the global commons, so I think it's a maturation of the space over the last few years, and also the tooling is there now, where it wasn't before, to really be able to get these things used in real-world situations. Tineo Finance becomes latest BNB project in crypto exchange has a significant presence in the Asian region, and with its new partnership in Malaysia, the exchange aims to expand the sustainable growth of the crypto market in Southeast Asia. MX Global, on the other hand, aims to bank on the recent partnership and new flow of capital to expand its market and become a leading liquidity hub in the region. Binance's recent slew of partnerships also reflects a pattern of sorts, especially in regions where the exchange has found it difficult to mitigate regulatory compliance requirements independently. The crypto exchange had restricted its services in Malaysia back in July 2021 after an order from the South Carolina over non-compliance with the regulatory laws. A spokesperson from Binance told Cointelegraph that the recent partnership will help the crypto exchange understand the local regulatory approach and explained, this is part of Binance's initiatives to cooperate with regulators. By working with regulated platforms, we are supporting local representatives to further expand their businesses while they stay compliant. In Singapore, the crypto exchange withdrew its crypto license application just a week after announcing an 18% stake in the private stock exchange. The crypto exchange also managed to access the United Kingdom's sterling payment network through its partnership with PaySafe after getting barred by the country's regulator in 2021. The crypto exchange undertook a similar strategy in Thailand as well, where the exchange had to shut its operation in July 2021, but made a re-entry in the Thai market through its partnership with the country's Gulf Energy Development PCL in January 2022. In 2021, Binance faced regulatory warnings and service restrictions from over a dozen countries. However, the exchange managed to mend its regulatory relationship in several of these nations through third-party partnerships. Well, and your favorite forecast section at the end of the video. Today, as always, we will give a long-term forecast of the Chainlink Link price for 2022, 2025 and beyond. Link price prediction 2022. Link will be considered as the best option, and with a huge community, the Chainlink price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Chainlink rate will be almost $18.92. The maximum bet we can get is $21.46. Chainlink N 2022 average price prediction could be around $19.59. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Chainlink course prediction 2023. Links have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Chainlink, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $32.63. Link is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $28.46, a minimum price of $27.68, and a maximum price of $32.63. Chainlink price prediction 2024. Chainlink's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Link could reach $48.18 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $39.78 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Chainlink price prediction 2025. It appears that by 2025, Chainlink Link prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be $55.06. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Chainlink's maximum price could be up to $66.82 in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Link price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Chainlink price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Link will rise to around $78.45 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of $92.66 with a minimum price $75.70 level. Link price prediction 2027. Chainlink's value will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Link is expected to top out at $130.12 by the end